Detian-Ban Gioc Waterfall is a very beautiful place. Okay, now we come to visit.
Detian-Ban Gioc Waterfall is what is called a transnational waterfall, being located on the border of China and Vietnam. The Chinese side of the waterfall is called Duc Tien, while the Vietnamese side is called Ban Gioc. The Chinese consider it to be the second most beautiful waterfall in China and is a very popular tourist site. These Chinese rafts definitely give it a rustic, romantic feel, and it works. On the Vietnamese side, however, development is slow in the making, with only a few bamboo frame shops and basic rafts. The best place to get a view of the falls is to do a bit of climbing, but once you get to the top, it's worth the effort. During the wet season, these two falls join together to become one. There must be a massive amount of water flowing through here when this happens. To me, the Vietnamese side of the waterfall has a certain gentle feel about it. The water is like lace cascading over vegetated covered rocks. If you would like to see Ban Gioc, you had better hurry, as development is on the planning board with a 4-star resort to be built. I guess this tranquility will disappear when the tourist buses come.